Hello everyone, welcome to Skill Web. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unhide columns in Google Sheet. So let's begin the video. Begin by opening your Excel worksheet containing the hidden columns you want to unhide. Now select the columns on both sides of the hidden columns you want to unhide. Now right click on the selected columns and from the context menu choose Unhide. As you see, the hidden columns are revealed. That's for today. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.